Ooh, happy Cyber Monday, everybody. I hope you had a good weekend, a good Black Friday shopping season. I spent a lot of time making Black Friday videos. I hope you guys took advantage of those and got some good savings out of those. I gotta say, I'm a little disappointed with Cyber Monday. The deals aren't as good as I thought, or the deals are pretty much just on all the Black Friday stuff. I'm assuming that with inventories just being low, the sales just aren't as good as I was expecting or hoping for. But I did still find some gems out there, which we're going to be covering in today's video. And in fact, I'm not going to be covering everything in this video because I don't want to make it too long. But if you take a look at the description below, I will have everything listed out. I have picked 10 products from Amazon. I have picked 10 products from Best Buy. So I will list all of those below. Also, I need your help. I am in the market right now for a new washer and dryer, and I don't know what to get. There's so many different options out there. LG, Samsung, Maytag, Kenmore, GE. I've been trying to do my research out there and I just can't figure out what the best one is. So if you have one that you really like, let me know in the comments below and help direct me on which one I should be picking up. Now, with that said, don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. Let's go ahead and take a look at some of the deals. All right, kicking off today's list, we're going with the Netgear Orbi Pro Wi-Fi. I'm actually doing a whole network upgrade in my house, and this is what I'm going with right here. You're gonna be able to save 43% or $130 to pick up this 2-pack right here. Now this is the Pro version right here, Wi-Fi 6. What I love about this one right here is that it actually breaks your network into 4 separate VLANs. So if you take a look at this right here, you're gonna get one for employees, for smart devices, for entertainment, for guests. So you can actually break it up into 4 different networks, but yet have everyone still use the same internet. That is what I like about this one right here. And like I said, I'm gonna be doing a full network upgrade. I'll be working on that video, actually probably starting either later today or tomorrow, but that should be out in a few weeks. So if you are not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe so you can take a look to get more in depth on these products right here. All right, next we're taking a look at the Eufy RoboVac G30. So this is kind of their budget entry-level robot vacuum. Having a great sale, 47% off. You can save $150 on this robot vacuum. We see here it does map the area, so that is pretty cool. But if you want to really indulge and go full blown with your robot vacuum, Eufy also has this one right here too. This is their brand new X8. They've got a hybrid version that allows you to mop, and then they also have just the regular X8 that does not come with that mopping feature right there. But this one you can get 31% off, saves $200 on this vacuum right here. Pretty good savings. Next up, TPLink was just having so many good sales on all of their smart home products that I just brought up their entire storefront here. There's going to be a link below to this storefront, but pretty much everything TPLink Casa brand is selling is going to have a sale right now. So you guys can kind of just scroll through here. Either it's lights or cameras or switches or plugs or smart switches in here. There's so many different options with TP-Link, so definitely go ahead and check that out if you're looking to do some smart home upgrades. All right, next, this is a nice little page because it is a bundle of all the Philips Hue savings that are going on right now. So if you're looking for some Philips Hue products, this is going to be a great place to kind of check out all the deals that are happening right now. If you pick up this bundle right here, this is going to come not only with that bridge that you're going to need, but also a switch and then a couple of light bulbs here. So lots of good savings in there. Next up, we're taking a look at, this DeWalt set. It looks amazing. So this is the 20-volt Max cordless drill collection. I went away from DeWalt a couple years ago, and I have to say I regret it. I would love to get back into the DeWalt ecosystem, and this is a great pack right here. It comes with 6 different tools. We got a circular saw, a sawzall. It looks like you have a grinder, a couple of drills, an impact drill, and then a multi-tool with some batteries here. Just a great package right there. You're gonna save 32%, $210. Love that. All right, now let's jump over to some of the Best Buy deals. This LG NanoCell TV is gonna be $450 off. So a nice little savings right there. It's gonna be for their 70-inch 75 series 4K TV. Taking a look at another TV. This one is actually by Sony. So Sony is the brand that I have. I have their Bravia line TV, and it's definitely not the newest one, but here Sony is having a comeback with their TVs as far as jumping up to the top of the list as some of the best TVs out there. But this is a 65-inch Bravia XR. This is their X90 series 4K TV. You can save $300 on this over at Best Buy. Now, how can I not do this one? This is my favorite smart home product, and they are having a killer savings right now, 50% off. You can pick up this 2nd gen Nest Hub for $50. So great savings right here. This is the brand new 2nd gen one that just came out this year. Highly recommend that. And you can get it in several different colors too. Next up, taking a look at a classic one here. I cover this a lot in my Black Friday videos, but saving $200 on the Arlo Pro 4 bundle. So good savings right here. I love these cameras. Definitely, if you are looking to pick something up, you can either get it in black or white. So here is the black version right here where the cameras come in black, but yeah, a couple different options right there for you. Next up, I wanted to talk about Fitbit. So the Fitbit smartwatch is on sale right now. You can save $60, get it for $120. The Versa 2, that is the one that I've been using for years now. Really enjoy it. And then lastly on the list here, I wanted to talk about these light bulbs from Nanoleaf. So Nanoleaf is having a bit of a savings. You can save $10 on 3 light bulbs, but this is a good little 3-pack to pick up. Now, I don't want to make this video super long, so that is all we're going to be covering in this video. Like I said, there's a lot of stuff to check out below. I'm also going to have a link down there for just Amazon Black Friday deals. So if you just want to get to like the Amazon Black Friday page and scroll through deals yourself, you're welcome to do that. I will have a link below for that. But I hope you guys find some good savings. Don't forget, let me know what's a good washer and dryer out there. What do you guys recommend? I'm definitely in the market for it. If this video is helpful, give it a thumbs up. Let me know that you liked it. Happy shopping out there, and I'll see you in the next video.